What's the one thing? What's the one thing that you can do? And so here's how I think about the system. And I'll just give your listeners what we do with our private clients, just one-on-one.
Clay Hepler built a 7-figure empire by investing in rural land, combining his farming background with strategic business skills. We are going to cover what it takes to go from a mid-sized land investor making $100,000 to $500,000 per year to a land investor who scales into multi-millions per year, what that jump looks like, and how Clay sees the 3 key things that hold people back from really scaling their land businesses.
These are the things that you need to scale. We're building a conveyor belt here.
Yeah.
And the conveyor belt that we're building is defined by the numbers that we have. How much cash do we have on hand? How long does it take us to sell deals? And so we can make strategic decisions in our business to scale. Hire someone, don't hire someone. I don't want to hire someone because I have an emotional need to hire someone or I'm feeling overwhelmed. I want to hire someone because it's the right financial and data-driven decision for our business.
The Legends of Land Show.